I want to show you a lightweight shoe I've been trying out called the Jasper Chukka by Sole. With a comfortable, flexible merino wool upper, a recycled cork sole, and collapsible so they can pack down into your travel bag. But before jumping into the review, I want to give you a heads up. These are currently 40% off with an extra $20 off if you use the link in the description below. Normally $145, you can get these for $67 through December 3rd. Starting out with the design and the aesthetic, the Jasper Chukkas look like a hybrid between a slipper and a cork-soled walking shoe. This top material is a blend of merino wool and bison fiber. It's incredibly soft while also being warm yet breathable. The upper doesn't have much structure, so it pretty much folds completely down so you can pack this in your travel bag. It feels like this might be floppy on your foot, but the laces actually do a great job of fitting the fabric to your foot so it forms well around your ankle and doesn't sag or feel floppy. The bottom is made from a thick recyclable cork. It's firm, it feels like a regular shoe, but the cork is also very squishy, so it's comfortable to walk in. As the name implies, Sole is known for their footbeds. They come in a wide range of sizes and shapes that can be heat molded to fit your foot. However, I've actually found that the cork insoles that it comes with to be incredibly comfortable right out of the box, so I haven't really done any testing with the other styles. As far as comfort goes, these feel like a combination of a sturdy walking shoe on the bottom and a comfortable slipper on top that you can wear around your house. The upper forms to your foot well, it's soft and flexible, it's warm yet breathable when wearing around the house. It feels like you're wearing a pair of slippers. However, the bottom is thick and sturdy, provides enough structure and support for these to double as a city walking shoe. Cork bottom design is comfortable to walk on all day. For sizing, I'm a men's 11. These fit mostly true to size, but maybe a tiny bit small. My toe isn't pressing on the front, but there's also not a lot of room between my toe. These don't come in half sizes, so if you're on the border or between sizes, I would round up to the larger one. For weight and packability, I wouldn't consider these to be ultralight, but they do pack down pretty small. Again, this upper is flexible, so it's gonna fold completely down. So it's really just the thickness of the sole and whatever footbed you have inside the shoe. For the weight, on my scale, each of these shoes is about 12.8 ounces, which is just over 1.5 pounds for the pair. So again, not ultralight, but I'd say very light and much more comfortable than a lot of the other ultralight zero drop shoes. For performance, the grip is a fairly basic grid pattern. It makes these perfect for walking around the city or town. They would be fine for easy trail walking, but these are definitely not hiking shoes. The upper merino wool is treated with a water repellent. It's gonna be breathable, warm on your feet, repel waters decently in light drizzles. However, if you're wearing these out in the rain, your feet will eventually get wet. As far as my experience with these, they've worked great so far as just a basic around town walking shoe. I like the nice thick cork bottom. It's soft and comfortable. It doesn't wear your feet out after walking all day. The upper is snug and form-fitting. The fabric is soft and fits my foot and ankle well. And when you're inside, it feels like you're wearing a comfy pair of slippers. As far as value for the price goes, these are definitely a great deal at $67. If you want that deal, use the link in the description below for an extra $20 off the already 40% off sale price. That's all I have on the review on the Jasper Chukka by Sole. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.